Very similar to squid in that they have a beak as well. It's a little bit bigger than the squid's, pretty sharp too, so you want to be careful of that. They have a set of eyes here at the top, and this is their head cavity. So what we're gonna do is just cut right in between the eyes and sort of where the tentacles start to meet, right there. Put those aside for now. We'll do the same thing right above the eyes and just get them out of the equation. You're gonna wanna flip the head inside out and just make sure you're removing any sort of innards might be in there. Of course, taking care to not break the head open. We'll flip it back. So now when you have the head cleaned and ready to go, you hold it taut and make a really small incision, not cutting through the octopus, just to get the skin to separate from the flesh. And just peel away any skin. And it is pretty tough, so you're gonna have to put a little bit of muscle into it. You wanna just take care to not be brutal with it. I mean, it can withstand quite a bit of pressure. So I mean, I'm grabbing this pretty hard, but I'm not like white knuckling the octopus. And just work slowly in batches. And you'll have a cleaned head. And now, go back to the tentacles. What you wanna do, this is the beak here, just flip it, and with your finger here, just push like a button, and it should expose itself. And from here, you'll just take a knife and just remove that whole section there. And you can see actually how sharp that is. It looks a lot like a bird beak. Next step would be cooking it, and then you will butcher it once it's done. This is a cleaned octopus.